Hello Forex traders, hope you all are well. I am an official member of FOREX BD. A lot of members of FOREX BD requested to share this video. Few days ago, I shared a video about Forex top 7 tips and tricks. I am going to share this video after getting response from all of you. First of all, I will try to share a lot of information. That's why this video can be long. So I will request all of those see this video with some patience. I hope it will help you. Today's video, I will say how to use multiple TP. That means how you can use TP1, TP2, TP3 in right way. There have many forex traders who spend a lots of time in forex, but still they don't know how to use multiple TP. Though they know about multiple TP, but they don't know how to use it. In this video, I will say about multiple TP and some more information which is help you in your forex career. So let's start the video. Those who are using Signal for trade, basically they want to know use multiple TP. The biggest opportunity of multiple TP is after placing a trade you can forget about it. Like FOREX BD paid signal group published a signal with 1 SL and 3 TP. That means when you do a trade, you have to place 3 trades at the same time, like TP1, TP2, TP3. The SL of those 3 trades should be same amount, but TP are individual. But I want to say another thing. This is if you want to use multiple TP, you have to use small amount of SL. If you add any signal group, if that group's SL is 50 pips or 100 pips and TP is also 50 pips or 100 pips, that means profit ratio is 1:1. You will not be profitable by using multiple TP. Because of your high SL, if any trade goes against you, you will face loss totally. For using multiple TP, you have to be aware of your balance. Depending on your balance, you have to distribute your lot size. Like your balance is $500, your lot size will be about 0.05. It's called money management. So if your balance is $500 and you want to place 3 trades at the same time, so your first trade's lot size will be about 0.03. The second trade's lot size will be 0.01 and the last one's lot size will be about 0.01. Why do you do like that? I am clearing to you. If we place a pending order, after going to pending order, we will select pending order, buy limit or sell limit. Then write your point also SL and TP. See the market movement. Our prediction is market will go towards sell. You see that I am placing order from this point. We set up our SL 20 pips and TP is also 20 pips. We will place other 2 trades from the same place and same way. When your balance is increased, you have to distribute your lot size by the same way. Our second entry lot size is 0.01. You can see that we placed 3 order from the same point. Our first entry's lot size is 0.03. The second entry's lot size is 0.01 and the last one is 0.01. A few minutes ago, we discussed that if your balance is $500, your lot size will be about 0.05. So we distribute it and we will get lot size of 3 trades. That is 3 cent, 1 cent, 2 cent, total 5 cent. The lot size of our first entry is 3 cent and TP is 20 pips. If profit comes, we will earn $6. The lot size of second entry is 1 cent and TP is 50 pips. We will earn $5 if it comes in our side. And the last one's lot size is 1 cent. So we will earn $10 more if it hit the TP. So our total earned $21. I say again, our total profit $21. Now I say, why does your lot size of your first entry is 3 cent? Our SL is 20 pips. Maximum time FOREX BD's SL is 20 pips. So if first entry comes in our side, we will earn $6. There have other 2 trades. If 2 trades goes against you, you will lose $4. So we earn $2 easily. FOREX BD's 80% signal easily hit their first entry, so you can get your first entry easily. That's why you don't need to worry about the last 2 trades, because you earn $6 by your first entry. Your lot size is 3 cent, your TP is 20 pips, so you get $6. Then if second entry and third entry hit SL, you lose $4 because lot size of those 2 trades are 1 cent and 1 cent and SL is 20 pips. So last 2 entry we lose $4 and first entry we get $6, so we earn $2. I said negative side, now I want to say positive side about multiple TP. If we place 3 trades and 3 trades comes in our side, we will earn $21. If first and second entry hit the TP, we will get $11. And there are third entry. You can lock it when it comes in profit. I give a video about lock a profit. Please see this video. By doing profit lock, you can lock your profit easily. Forex BD published many signal where TP is about 300 to 400 pips. If you get that kind of entry in a week, it will increase your amount fastly. If you catch 300 pips in a week, you can earn $30, $60 or $90. It will depends on your lot size. You have to know that if your balance is $500, your total lot size must be about 5 cents. One thing you have to know, Forex is that kind of business where have loss and profit, so you have to follow proper guideline. If your balance is very low, you can use 2 trades in multiple TP. That means where we take 3 or 4 trades, you can take 2 trades. Like if your balance is $200, you should take 2 trades. First one's lot size is 2 cents and second one lot size is 1 cent. If first entry comes in your side and TP is 20 pips, you will earn $4. If second entry goes against you and SL is 20 pips, you will lose $2. That means your total profit $2. Those who have low balance after getting profit from first entry lock your second entry. That's why if second entry goes against you, you don't face any loss. Then make a proper plan, lock profit and risk reward keep there in your mind. Then do that which you think good. Those who are beginner and joining our paid signal group, I will request those people please do practice in demo account for 1 week so that the proper way of applying signal are involved in you, so that no mistake is made in your real account. That means you can improve yourself when you practice in demo account. When you do trade in real account, a little mistake can be destroy you. That's why you will feel depressed. And do trade on demo account for a week. Those who have small amount, please lock your profit after getting profit 20 or 30 pips. Keep your profit ratio 1:2 or 1:3 so that your one trade can recover you 3 loss. After adding trade, try to forget about it. Among 10 trade, if you get 5 trade in your side, then you will be profitable. I shared a video about it. If you didn't see that, please see this video. Maximum forex trader could not be profitable because of their mistake. After losing their funds, they don't get any guts to deposit again. Many people lost about $3,000, so $30 is not a big deal. Before ending this video, I want to say, if you do not subscribe our Forex BD, please subscribe and click the bell icon for never miss any update. If you like this video, share this video with your trader friends, and if you have any request, please write down in our comment box. Those who add in our paid signal group, use multiple TP. If your balance is low, you can lock your profit. Maintain risk ratio 1:3 if you want to earn without any risk. Be happy, be healthy. Goodbye, Tata.
Thank you.